Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would love to review this sample provided by Elvira Multi-Oil Body Wash. So thank you, Elvira, for the sample. I love it. So it's 10.15 ounces. And what I love about this body wash, it has grapeseed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil. This is how it looks. So it's yellow, and it has a sweet smell like a rose. Smells delicious, and it's going to remove sunblock, it's going to remove traces of makeup, and it's not going to leave your skin dry. It's going to nourish your skin as you wash. Also, inside the box, it comes with a pump. I would like to show you the pump. The pump is here. This is the pump. I haven't used it yet, and I would like to show you how it looks on the hand. This is how it looks on the hand. It's yellow. This is how it looks. All you have to do is wet it, put it in a sponge with the product and some water, and enjoy a oil body wash with a delicious smell. Smells like a sweet rose. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.